Welcome to the Tellabs video on Optical LAN software upgrade best practices. This video lists procedures that will help ensure a smooth software upgrade at the Optical LAN Network Element. These practices are recommended to increase the chances of a fully successful software upgrade with a minimum of network interruption. The topics covered in this video will be scheduling backup and download processes, disabling and enabling the SNMP agent, using a golden card, verifying alarms, verifying MAC counts, spanning uplink lags across both ESU cards, and using PPG to minimize outage times. An OLT and EMS backup should be scheduled at least once a week and during times of low network activity. It is best practice to ensure that all EMS and OLT backups are stored off-site to ensure that they are available in the event of catastrophic failure. Sites that only back up to a given computer risk availability for catastrophic recovery and rebuilding of the EMS computer. Similarly, the software download process should be done during the time of low network activity. The download may cause momentary interruptions of EMS connectivity, SDP, or LACP while writing to flash. This is not typically service affecting, but can result in alarms. Using the scheduled download function of the EMS allows the download to be performed during off hours when this would not affect normal operations. To schedule a database backup or software download, use the Scheduler application in the Panorama Pawn EMS. The scheduler is found under the Tools in the main menu. Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP, can be used to monitor and report OLT alarms. The software upgrade process involves card reboots, temporary traffic loss, and other events that will result in several generated alarms. For customers using SNMP with their ticketing system, disabling the SNMP can prevent misleading trouble tickets during the upgrade. To disable SNMP agent, right-click the OLT in the common tree and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Select the SNMP tab in the pop-up window and click the Enable Disable SNMP Agent button. Click on the Apply button. After the OLT is updated, re-enable the SNMP agent. The OLT6, OLT1134, and OLT1150 have slots for redundant ESU cards. The standby ESU card carries upstream traffic and provides management redundancy. The use of a golden card allows a copy of the software and database to be saved and used for rapid rollback to the previous release in the event of an upgrade issue. A golden card is an ESU that is removed from the OLT after it has synchronized its software and database with the active ESU. A spare ESU is then placed into the standby slot, allowed to synchronize and be used during the upgrade. If a failure occurs, all cards can be removed from the system. The golden card put back into the shelf, and the system will return to its pre-upgrade state. Golden cards are not typically used in PPG systems, as one of the OLTs will always be on the older release until the final steps of an upgrade and can be used for rapid rollback. To reduce downtime and not lose data if an upgrade failure occurs, it is best to use a spare or a third ESU to serve as a golden card during the upgrade. It is best practice to clear any alarms before performing a software upgrade. Every alarm should be addressed and corrected if possible. On large networks, it may not be possible to clear all alarms, and recording the alarms allows determination of any new alarms or failed units after the upgrade. Alarms can be recorded using the CSV application. The reason to capture a list of MACs is to verify that all learned MACs from attached devices, phones, cameras, and computers are accounted for and operating after an upgrade. The list of MACs will be compared against the list of MACs generated before an update. MAC address information can be obtained using the switching application. Highlight an OLT and select the Forwarding Database tab in the main window and click the Get button. Use the CSV application to save the file with the MAC information. This should be done for each OLT in the access network. In dual ESU OLTs, the system should be configured with lag ports on both ESU cards, so traffic will continue to flow when the ESUs are switched. During the software upgrade process, the active ESU will disable its link during certain parts of the upgrade, and the lag will allow traffic to continue flowing during this part of the upgrade with half the bandwidth. Lags can be edited and created in the lags application of the Panorama PON client. PON protection provides PON link and equipment protection during normal operations, but also minimizes outage times during a software upgrade. When done properly, a PPG protected system will only experience traffic outage when the ONTs reboot to load the new software version. The system will not be affected by switches of the OLT hardware in PPG protected systems. PPG protection provides full redundancy of all OLT hardware and uplinks. This is the preferred configuration for reliability and is the option recommended by Tellabs. This concludes this video. In it, you've learned scheduling and backup download processes, disabling and enabling the SNMP agent, using a golden card, verifying alarms, verifying MAC counts, spanning uplink lags across both ESU cards, and using PPG to minimize outage times.